What have we got?
Let's have a look at something big. Yep.
All right. Do you need a hand with that?
Well,
Are you good?
I don't know. Well, I'm good, but I don't know if I need a hand.
What is it? What is that? That's pretty big, isn't it?
That's how big it is. This is Traxxas' latest monster, the XRT. Now, what does that mean?
Extra
Racing truck.
Is it? Sounds right, doesn't it? All right, unseal it.
I am.
Let's open this baby.
Let's unbox this sucker live.
All right.
How cool is this? Now, this is basically a modified,
Oh wow, that's pretty.
a redesigned and modified X-Max.
Okay, so it does share some bits, is it?
Now, you guys will all know how much we at Hearns Hobbies love X-Max.
Yeah,
No?
we've launched it, we've driven it.
You just have to be careful because sometimes a transmitter can jump out at you.
You don't want any surprises there.
I'm trying to do this as articulate as possible.
Gonna give a big yank.
Rightio.
You want to pull it?
I'll pull it. You hold the box, Rick.
Is it coming? Hang on, hang on.
Hang on.
You good?
There's the transmitter.
Oh, okay.
We'll put
Let's
that.
park
Put
that
that
aside.
Yeah. Oh, the wheels come unattached. That's
Oh, well, that'll help it fit in the box, I guess. Wow, it's bigger than we thought.
Look at the wheels.
Oh, I thought this was the same size as the box. It's actually bigger.
I'm tearing the whole studio apart here doing this.
All right, what do you know?
We definitely didn't rehearse this, did we?
No. All right, so we've got another set of tyres here.
Should we have rehearsed it? Possibly.
These are huge.
Sometimes we like to raw dog it. We're just extending it.
Raw dog. Oh, what are you doing there? You good?
Oh, no, good.
Okay, so the chassis is
X-Max.
X-Max.
Chassis-
Definitely X-Max and all the arms and stuff, right?
Chassis is X-Max because we know that because I've recently just reassembled the X-Max.
Right.
The arms look very X-Max. I don't have the product codes in front of me. I could be wrong, but it does look very X-Max-ish. It looks lower center of gravity for me. Being the latest generation, it's probably not going to have body clips. I just got to fiddle around here. It's the same as the sledge.
So you worked it out?
Worked out the rear ones.
Probably the same on the front. There you go.
Wow. Let's check this sucker out.
Well, so it does have quite a few bits that are a little bit different, yeah?
So it's going to have new shock towers. It's going to have shorter shocks because the X-Max has got vast amounts of droop.
Do you reckon the arms are a little bit longer?
They could be. Very similar battery retention.
Yep.
Here. So it's going to have an 8S system in it.
Yep.
Up to 8S. Look at that. Look at the motor. It's got like a V8 cooling fans.
That was cool.
It's got a bigger heatsink than the X-Max.
Yep.
You can have a look on the overhead if you want to get in there. So these are the two cooling fans on the motor in a V configuration. Huge heatsink up in there. 8S speed controller. It probably is the XL 1200 kV motor.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it is, like I said, it is less and less X-Max the less I look at it. It's based off the same design and concept, but I can see the rear transmission case looks the same. The center piece and the front piece look different. The center shaft's coming through a lot higher on this one.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh, so it's like an LCG.
It is definitely like a LCG.
Okay.
So, and this is to bring some performance back to, and I'm not talking about just straight line handling and performance, but this thing will turn and jump much better than the X-Max.
I was just like tires too, isn't it?
Yeah, much more all-rounder tires. So these look like they'd be pretty good on the road.
Yep.
They're probably made stronger as well. I'd say that they're the standard X-Max ones. It's probably one of the biggest drawbacks is the tires are easily damaged. got the same. I bet it's got the same big chunky differentials. It's got the same configuration drive shafts.
Yep.
As the X-Max. Very good rubbery wheelie bar and crash support in the wing. Look at the size of the wing.
It's massive. It's thick, isn't it? It's multi-piece. Is it multi-piece or just multi-mount?
Multi-mount.
Multi-mount.
You can see here it's got this crumple zone for the wing.
All right.
So
Okay.
it really is designed to be smashed almost. Very similar. New body retention system, which is really good. So it locks
quick
here
access.
and here. Quick access with no fiddly body pins. Like I said, it's nice to see them put this really big heat sink and cooling fans on the motor.
Yep.
So you can really, because I know the X-Max does get hot. If
The
you
wheelie
use,
bar.
if
A
you
bit hard to
use,
see.
yeah.
But that's a handle as well, so you can carry it.
And it's probably one of the best design features, is the like a carry handle, because they are quite hard to carry.
Yes.
So I can guarantee that it's going to spend a lot of time on its back wheels. You can see how flexible it is.
Oh, yeah.
You know, it's designed to do that. So really, really cool.
Clever, isn't
it? The engineering at the moment from Traxxas is smashing it out. I thought it was a lot similar to the X-Max, but looking at it now, it's completely redesigned and rethought it. You know, new plastics. I think the caster hubs are the same, but nice rubbery feel, a little bit longer arms.
Yep.
Beautiful, same diameter dampers. I want to say 18 mil. They're absolutely huge monstrosities of things. And have a look at the level of decal on the body.
Well, look at the under
Again,
frame.
We've got the exoskeleton
Yep.
kind of body.
Yep.
Which is really, really cool. And they've gone one step further than on the X-Max, and they've put skid plates and stuff on the outside now. And the X-Max body was pretty good in the fact that it would be quite robust, but this here
It's got a big air intake right there.
is next level. Look at that, it's got a skid plate on the top there, a skid plate on the roof.
It's a profile, isn't it? Look at this. If I can get it at the right angle. Oh, it's
Get it at
too,
the right
it's too
angle.
big to fit in the camera.
Yeah, mate, we can go in the front on. Go to the front on camera. There we go. Look at that.
Huge.
It is absolutely massive.
I can see how
But
low it sits there.
So it's going to sit
Mm.
a
Wow.
lot different than the X-Max. Beautiful bodywork. Super strong. These are going to be popular. These are going to be probably a touch more than $300.
A little bit more, I think.
But you know how much fun have we had with the X-Max?
Yeah.
And it is back. Look, they could be like kissing cousins.
Oh, there you go.
It's back. Look at the size difference. So it's going to have a very similar wheelbase and stuff. But yeah, we could be matchy.
Yeah,
Which
it
one's
sits,
faster?
Sits totally differently, doesn't
Well,
it?
look how much droop it's got compared to the other one. You know?
Yeah.
Because this is a monster truck. Where that's like a racing truck.
Mm.
X-Max racing truck. What do you reckon, RT?
Pretty serious, isn't it?
It is a serious bit of kit.
It's a giant truggy.
Giant trucky, isn't it?
Yeah.
Boys down the 1/8 Club would love this.
I'm lost for words.
Oh yeah? It's epic.
It is, isn't it?
Do you know who'd love this? Nick. He could love this. Imagine the devastation he could cause.
Like the sand.
He could smash through a dune with that. No, just punch a hole straight through it. Wouldn't go over it. That is
Wow.
the Traxxas XRT.